Hey guys, what's going on? I got this air conditioner installed. I'm in a brand new house. It can't be no more than a year and a half old. Brand new, fresh build and everything else, right? And they have this unit right here. And just recently, a couple weeks ago, I had an air conditioner installed. And ever since I got the air conditioner installed and it runs, my unit does this. This is the heat with the AC lines coming in right here, all right? And this is what it does. Hold on. Now, you hear that? I, I mean, this is freezing cold right here. I've had the guy out here to look at it, and of course, like all the problems that I have in life since I was a kid, as far as I can remember, doctors, cars, no matter what it is, nobody's ever heard of the problem. The guy comes out here because I told him I was like, hey, I wasn't doing this when before the AC was installed because the heat works fine. It doesn't make this noise. That whenever you guys installed this, something's wrong because now it makes this noise and it's so loud you can hear it through the whole house, and it's driving me fucking nuts. Especially when you bring the HVAC guy out here and they're like, huh, I never seen that before. Go fucking figure. If anybody could tell me out there who has HVAC experience what the hell this thing is doing right now, I would be greatly appreciative because it is annoying. It's driving me nuts, and I didn't pay $2,500 to get a compressor installed for this to make this crazy noise all day, every day. So let me know, guys. Drop it in the comments if you're an HVAC expert and you've seen this before, and let me know what it is so I can at least call somebody out here and do this, or I can do it myself because I'm an engineer, but I'm not an HVAC guy. So not a problem if I need to replace electronic parts or something, if the capacitor is going bad, something, whatever. It sounds like this thing is starting and stopping, starting and stopping, starting and stopping. I have a brand new thermostat. It's a Nest thermostat. It's been on there since I bought the house. I installed it a couple weeks later, so I don't believe it's a thermostat. Obviously the heat unit is brand new. See, now it cuts on. It just cut on right there. Only after it does the sound or whatever, it can go on for 10-15 minutes making that sound, and then it will turn on. So it has no problem turning on, whenever it needs to turn on for the temperature. But for some odd reason, like in between, say, 75 to 74, like it feels like it's, hey, I need to turn on. Nope, I don't need to turn on. Hey, I'm at the right temperature. Oh, no, I'm not at the right temperature. That's what it seems like it's doing, and I can't explain it. I mean, that's the best way I can explain it. And it was making that noise, and it's all the time. So, guys, let me know in the comments, please, please, please. I wouldn't be able to thank you enough if you can tell me what is going on with this unit. Thanks, guys.